Start on all fours in tabletop position. Shoulders are stacked over the wrists and elbows, and the knees are directly over the hips. Widen the distance between the knees as much as you can without straining. The knees are bent at 90 degrees and the inner arches should be touching the earth, the toes pointing away from the body. On an exhale, bring the forearms down to the earth. The elbows are shoulder distance apart. Shoulders are directly on top of the elbows. Palms of the hands are on the earth and the fingers spread wide. On an inhale, lengthen the spine and reach the crown of the head forward and the tailbone back in the opposite direction. Engage the core by gently drawing the navel in and up towards the spine. Soften the heart and torso towards the earth while simultaneously drawing the hips back and down. As you breathe, remind yourself of the motivational words. To release this posture, lift the forearms off the earth and place the palms of the hands on the ground. Walk the hands back towards the hips as you gently bring the soles of your feet together behind you. Bring the knees together and sit the buttocks on your feet.